I'm reading about multiple orgasms.
Oh, Christ, I've just come.
Really?
Oh, and another. It's Hampstead Heath. They think you're weird if you're not having sex. Well, it feels like I haven't pissed in a month. You know, no.
How you doing, big man?
For God's sake. Dirty bastard.
You would love it.
I want to have sex with you.
Oh.
Let's do it.
What, really?
As a rule, I like not to ask more than a dozen times.
Maybe we could just have a cup of tea.
I'd like to apologise on behalf of my husband.
Apologise?
I'm afraid he's been staring at your pants.
Oh, for God's sake.
I'd like to have a child.
Me too. It was one of those boy meets girl, girl leaves boy goes mad.
Unbelievable!
Boy kills other boy and girl. It was all very stressful.
I think I really want to have kids. 2 fathers? No, it's better than 2 mothers.
That is sexist.
You've met my mother.
Fair enough.
Have you ever been in love?
No, I've missed you.
Those are the reasons I love you.
Would you like to look again?